Now we are going to proceed to the main part of cell division, that means the M phase of cell cycle. During introduction we have learnt about two phases of cell cycle, and these were, first was the interphase and second was the mitosis phase or the M phase. So these were the phases that actually constitutes the cell cycle, and in interphase what happens? The cellular contents are duplicated. The cell is preparing for the cell division process during the interphase, and in M phase this parent cell actually divides. So the event that occurs in M phase is the equal distribution of the constituents of the cell between two daughter cells. So this is the parental cell, and it will divide into two daughter cells, among which the cellular constituents will be equally distributed, and this event occurs during the M phase of cell cycle. So it will give rise to two daughter cells. So these daughter cells will get equal amounts of the constituents that were present in the parental cell. So what happens in M phase? The cellular constituents are equally distributed among the two daughter cells. So the main constituent that is present inside the cell is what? We know that it is the DNA of the cell. So DNA must be equally distributed among the two daughter cells. The DNA of the cell must be equally distributed between the two daughter cells. If any error happens during this process, it can result to severe consequences. Mitosis is basically composed of four phases. First phase is the prophase, then metaphase, then anaphase, and lastly comes the telophase. So, in the metaphase stage of mitosis, what happens? The chromosomes that contains the DNA align at a single plane of the cell, and this plane will look like this. So these are the chromosomes. These cross signs indicates the chromosomes. So these chromosomes align and at a single plane in the parental cell. Within the parental cell, these chromosomes align at a single plane. And why they align at a single plane? Because during this mitosis process, what happens? A thread-like structure called spindle fiber is generated from a structure called the centrosomes. Centrosomes are present in the parental cell, and these centrosomes produce spindle fibers, and these spindle fibers separates the duplicated chromosomes apart during mitosis. So what happens? This is how the chromosomes align at a single plane during the metaphase stage of mitosis. So this happens during the metaphase. Chromosomes align at a single plane, and these chromosomes are the duplicated chromosomes. Remember, we have learnt about the DNA replication event that had occurred during the S phase of cell cycle. The sister chromatids remain attached with each other until the metaphase stage of mitosis. And these sister chromatids, these duplicated chromosomes are called sister chromatids because they have the same composition. They are similar in their compositions. For this reason, they are called sister chromatids. So these are the sister chromatids. DNA replication in S phase, the chromosomes duplicated, and they were present like this until the metaphase stage of mitosis. This is one chromatid, this is one chromatid, and they were attached with each other like this until the metaphase stage of mitosis. And during the metaphase stage, what happens? These sister chromatids align at a single plane within the cell, within the parental cell. And now, in the next phase of cell cycle that occurs just after the metaphase, that is the anaphase stage, what happens? These sister chromatids are separated, and they are separated in two different directions. They travel in two different directions in the cell. So this is how the sister chromatids are separated. And why they are separated? Because just after the nuclear division phase, just after the separation is complete, just after all the sister chromatids present inside the cell has separated, then only the cell division will occur. First occurs the nuclear division, the constituents of the nucleus are divided first and accumulate at two different poles of the cell, and then only the actual cytoplasmic division or the cell division happens. So this was the parental cell, and then occurs the nuclear division. Nuclear division means the nuclear materials are separated equally among the two daughter cells. The nuclear material is separated equally between the two daughter cells. So these nuclear materials, we know what is present in nucleus. It is the DNA of the cell or the chromosomes. These chromosomes are separated at two different poles of the cell after the anaphase stage. So once the sister chromatids are separated, they migrate at two different poles of the cell. And now after this nuclear division event, then the actual cell division happens. So the cells are separated like this, in this way. So this is the case. Initially this was a parental cell, and then nuclear division occurred, as a result of which the nuclear materials got separated and accumulated at two different poles of the cell. And then occurs the cell division, and after which the two cells are completely separated from one another, and they are now called as independent cells. This is what happens during mitosis process. And this nuclear division event is very much critical, because nucleus contains the genetic material of our cell. So this genetic information must be divided between the two daughter cells very much accurately.